Welcome back, CAD users. This is part two of the linear bearing assembly. You should have watched the last video and got to the point where we've put the top plate and the pillow blocks on, and now we're going to go in and unhide our bottom plate with our guide shafts. And now we're going to mate these two together. So I'm just unhiding all of these parts. I gotta keep going. Okay. And if you don't like seeing all these mates, we can click on one of them and we can just say hide all mate connectors. Makes it a little bit easier to see the part. And actually it looks like I'm might be missing a screw in this one, but I'm gonna assume that you have that and we're not gonna worry about it for now. So we're going to click on this part and we basically have to rotate it 180 degrees. You can always type in your 180 there. And it's going to slide onto these guide shafts with the bearing that we created. So we're going to come over and insert 4 of these bearings because we have one that will go with each pillow block. And then we're going to mate the linear bearings with a cylindrical mate to start off with. So we'll get a cylindrical mate and we can kind of mate that top tube into, let me get in here. Okay, let's take a look at that. So that'll slide down. We can do the same. We're going to put 2 of these linear bearings on each guide shaft. And those ended up being on top of each other, I think, but we can slide them. Sorry. If you end up with a issue like this, then go ahead and cylindrically mate. And that should fix it. I might not have had enough of those mates with all these screws. So, and they will kind of rotate around until we get the pillow blocks and get everything lined up correctly. So there's one set. I'm trying to get right in the middle here. Let's see if I got the right spot. That one looks good. One more of these. Okay, and then we can get out of that mate for now. And then again, if you have this issue where this doesn't want to sit correctly, you can add another cylindrical mate. In there. So the reason I think this one is sliding, by the way, I don't think I got the middle of that. And I think it's this one. So let me grab that. And now I think that'll slide better. And essentially now we're going to add another cylindrical mate, only this time it'll be on the top of that, and then basically right in the middle of there. Let's see if we got that correct. Okay. And we can lift this up. And we're going to have to do 4 more of those, and then we'll be able to do some planar mates, and we'll be close. So we're going to cylindrical mate this bearing. And I kind of like to make sure that I'm getting the inside piece of that, so let me rotate that in. Okay, so we've done the front two. If we need to hide like any of the parts, we can hide some stuff, so we can do the back too. But let me close this out. And you can see that this slides. And we'll try and get a cylindrical mate that will be in the middle. We might want to hide that guide shaft so we can see this better. So let's see. Hide that, and we're going to get in here. Okay, and then we're going to unhide that. If at any time, by the way, you want to make sure that you know what something is, you can go up and say, and go to properties and apply it so that later on when you're trying to find that part, you can find it. Okay. And so now those will be kind of mated. And we'll do this last mate. Slide this out so we might be able to see it better. It's going to be kind of like revolving until we get this mated in a couple of different ways. I don't know if we're going to be able to do this without hiding that other guide shaft, so here's one. I believe this is the other. And then we can get in here. Oh. Okay. We're almost done, believe it or not. And so now, if we give ourselves a planar mate between the front let's try that. If we don't like it, we'll delete it. So we did the front plane of our pillow block and the front plane of our linear bearing. Maybe it'll be easier to see from this angle. Okay, so that one doesn't work. Let me delete that. That angle is not a good angle. front plane, front plane. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing here. And that'll keep these sliding together. See if that'll work. Yep. I'm gonna rotate this. Around. I think there's a mate in there that we're gonna have to fix, but this forward, and then we'll planar mate that so it'll lock it into place. So we have a planar mate there and there. Okay. So this linear bearing assembly now, the bearing should be moving with the top plate. And you can kind of see that that's indeed where it's at. And we can create, you can see we've got no red mates in here, and we can create another folder to put all of them in, and then we're good to go. So I'm going to add that one too. So this will be bearing to pillow block. And then we can move all of these mates in there. And we've hidden all of our connectors and everything is good.